Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to pin someone on Snapchat in Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Snapchat and open chat, and long press on the chat whom you want to pin and tap on chat settings. And here you'll find this option, pin shortcut to home screen. So you need to select this option and tap on add, and the chat will be pinned to your home screen. So as you can see, here's the chat. So that's how you can pin someone on Snapchat in Android. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.